So, I hope it works now. Okay, and I will, let me see, have my phone to open. Well, some people will gonna jump in. I will explain something which is quite important for, especially for those who are newbies in any sphere here. Okay, so let me see. Does anybody is over there? Anyways, this is live video. I will share with you something very important. If you are coming to this video, you have to understand one thing. So this is my actual listing. Okay, this is about the descriptions. So about descriptions, I teach on Alpha course, and I teach about descriptions also on Streaming Club. All right, and yes, also on Monopoly Black Book there is a totally different description style. All right, so guys, please, for those who are newbies, I know some of you are having 3-4 of my courses, okay, and but some of you have none of my courses over there. Okay, so you have to understand that I have multiple courses out there. This one, the back to school, this is not the course, this is coaching group. Okay, so that's why we have only 30 members here. But in my course, when you join my courses, like if you join $7.99 course, there is almost 500 members there. If you join Alpha course, there is almost 300 members there. Okay, if you join the School of Dropshipping, there is over 2,000 members there. So it's just the small group of people we are here. So that's for those who are newbies. Okay, and on a different courses we have different style of description what we do. On $7.99 course you do a totally different description, like very simple description. Okay, so it's always good to upgrade. Of course, it's always good to upgrade, because those who enroll later on Alpha course, in Alpha course you got the teaching how to make descriptions, or even on a Monopoly Black Book. If you are on the Monopoly Black Book, you see how I make descriptions totally different than on $7.99 and on Alpha course. Okay, so this video is all about descriptions. I want you to be sure that you do descriptions right. Okay, so this is my actual product. I used to share with this product on Monopoly Black Book course. Okay, so guys, pay attention please how I make description. What is the structure of my description? Because I have seen your descriptions, and not all of your, but some of your descriptions, and I have asked you to change your descriptions. This is how your descriptions should look. Try to copy paste at this point. Okay, at this time copy paste is okay. You can copy paste right now here, right? So do descriptions in the way like I am doing. You see, if I'm doing my descriptions, I have no competition below. This is the end of the page, all right? So this is simple. This is very simple, and this is very powerful. First of all, my title here, this is my title here, right? Right here. This is my title, okay? Then here is the description, totally change, absolutely different than on Amazon. Okay, and here I have few bullet points. That's it. That's it. When you are on $7.99, okay, on $7.99, let me see, a couple of people are watching me already. Okay, good. The rest we're gonna watch replay. When you are on $7.99, you do the best what you can. You don't have to redo this. This is, please understand, guys, this is for the Monopoly Black Book. On Monopoly Black Book, we are doing totally different listings, but yes, listings and titles and everything different. But we will come to Monopoly Black Book later. If you are capable, if you are able, if you are capable and if you are able, make totally different description as it is on Amazon. It will not gonna be mistake if you will follow $7.99 and do almost the same on $7.99 level. It will not gonna be mistake if you will do as I teach on Alpha course, okay? Because those are different levels. This what you can see on my screen is the best of the best, okay? This is my best. I'm showing you my best. I'm not showing you my second hand or my middle class. I'm showing you my best, all right? But it doesn't mean that you have to do now the best because Andrew showed the best. That's why I'm saying for you, it will be beneficial for you if you can make your titles copy-paste, kind of like copy-paste to as close as possible my best, or you just follow and change a little bit Amazon's description and change a little bit to your just some tweaks with some keywords and stuff like this as it goes on those courses, okay? But here is the thing. When look on my colors, because I have seen some of you are using variations of colors, a lot of colors. Don't do this. I have been doing a lot of mistakes with the descriptions. I have been, guys, though during the 4 years what I have been doing business on eBay, I have, believe me, I tested everything almost possible out there. I tested templates. I tested all sorts of different templates, free templates, paid templates, okay? If you use templates, I haven't seen all of your accounts yet, but if you're still using templates, please, as soon as possible, switch to the manual manual, like this is manual, okay? Like you see, this is my like manual template, okay? Do not use templates. Why? Because it's slowing down your sales, period. It doesn't matter who is using their templates, how powerful sellers they are or whatever they do there. I don't care what they do there. I have been testing this and the templates never ever increase my sales. They just slow down my sales. I was trying different templates. I thought the problem is in the templates, but when I was attending the seminar hosted by eBay, the eBay representative, he said that the number one thing why they will not gonna show template listings as much as the manual listings is because the templates are slowing down the device operation. So the basically what it means that the buyers, they have to download the template what you are posting. You're posting your template here, and even if they have iPhones or whatever, the internet sometimes are so slow, and they got sick of waiting until your template will download on their site. So it's just they just say it doesn't work, it's some error there or something, and they are going away and they're not making purchase. Okay, so it's many different reasons, but this is one of the main reasons why eBay is not supporting templates, and this happened already last year. Anyway, so I discovered this is the best to use no templates. This is the best when you use just a simple text with the simple title here. You create your own description here and you put the bullet points here. All right, that's it. When you use the title, please do not, this is like NLP now, I will be teaching you a little bit. When you use the title, never use a red color, because some of you, I just spoke with some of you, is using red color, the red color for title. Red color for title never works. Why? Because psychologically, red color is kind of like the same like a stoplight. Okay, think about stoplights. Stoplights, red color, stop, don't go, do not act, freeze. All right. So if you put the red title here, it's kind of like, no, not good, don't go. If you want really different color than American blue, this is kind of like American blue. Okay, then you can use green color, because green color symbolizes evergreen and green to go. If you see on the cross lights, if you see green light, so it means you can go. Okay, so it's kind of like a little bit psychological aspect, but I have been testing all of them, and that's why I already use for a long run. I'm using only those colors. Like important here is kind of like stop. Hey, this is really important. Here's the boldest guarantee in the world. If you will not like it for any reasons, okay, so this is my kind of like guarantee for them. Okay, but I always use this color here. I always use nice, professional, simple text. That's it. No pictures, no videos, no freaking weird kind of like stuff into your description. Nothing. I have been putting videos there. I was downloaded from the YouTube, sometimes from the Walmart. I downloaded videos through the free apps and stuff like this. They not working. They work, but they are not working for good. All right. So this is the best what you can see on the screen right now. Please, when you do some, I have seen some of your accounts today, and actually none of your account was really good enough to make it's kind of like, from one aspect, it's kind of like, well, what's the big deal there? Well, there is a little bit big deal. Okay, so try this. You don't have to redo everything right now. If you have a lot of listings, if you have few listings only on, let them stay. But please make kind of like a simple template like this, all right? And copy and paste from page to page when you do your listings, all right? And try to keep the simple way, like here you see this is the title, then you go with the keywords. I start with the keywords, right? Camco, leveling, Caesar jack, drill socket, okay? Those are the keywords. In my title, okay? Those are the keywords. Those are the keywords here, you see? The last here, all right? And then you, I hope we were gonna get maybe back to this on some of the courses when we will be going through, but here you see it's just in the text, keyword again, Camco camper tool, all right? So it's like RV trailer campers, those are the keywords here, RV trailer camper here, see? Okay, Camco RV leveling Caesar jack, you see? I'm just knitting them into the text, okay? Buy your camper tool now, all right? So you see, all those are my keywords. This is how you create crashing title, how you create crashing sales. If you know how to do, this is simple, this is no magic here. You just need to know how to do the simple things in a proper way, okay? Nobody will gonna teach you this in a YouTube. Do not follow the YouTube. One of you said, I followed the YouTube, and on the YouTube they said so and so. So stop. This is the big red with the red letters. Stop following YouTube gurus. You will be messed up, because nobody teach you on the YouTube how to succeed. On the YouTube, you got only, they put out their content only for you to keep their like ranking on a YouTube. There is nothing about value there. I have myself YouTube channel there, and I have myself YouTube kind of like tips and stuff like this, but those are just the free tips just to drive attention to me. Those are not for the purpose to teach you something, but the YouTube is for the purpose to drive attention, because all the teachings are happening in the courses, okay? You will not gonna learn anything from the YouTube. You will gonna get only interested on a YouTube, because YouTube never supposed to be a learning center, but attention center, okay, and entertainment. Okay, so I hope this makes clear about the colors, okay? Use blue here. That's my suggestion. I found out by using different brown, yellow, and stuff like this. Use this one. If you see on, let's say where it was, I think even on the Alpha course, I have here free 2-day shipping. Oh, that's okay. You can use that. As I said, I have to repeat again. On $7.99, you will not gonna see this type of description, which is not wrong. That's okay for $7.99. On an Alpha course, you will not gonna see this type of the description. That's okay for Alpha course level. That's all right. Okay. This what you see on the screen is only the top, the best. Okay. And I'm showing you this because you are on my private coaching group. That's why you are seeing what's the best. All right, guys, take care and do your best with your descriptions, okay? We just keep working, and we'll see what will be the next topic. We will meet, basically we're gonna meet Saturday and Sunday on a live webinar anyway. Okay, take care, bye-bye.